Hey guys, so today, by the title, I'm sure you already know, we are doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm. This box is quite big this way this time. Yeah, so cool. This is November's Boxycharm video. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back. And thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of my upcoming videos. So you get to see all my unboxings and declutters and all such in my Project Pan kind of videos. All right, so let's just jump right into Z's box this month. This is the base box. And of course, it's this one. So let's look in here. I just say it. Okay. So excited. So this is a coupon for Natasha Denona, which means I think I already know what's in here. And then this is Boxycharm Harvest. Obviously, November is the American Thanksgiving, so I'm assuming that's like the whole vibe. And my variation is variation 17. So let's just jump into here. Let's see what this box looks like in here. Okay, so this is the view, the sneak peek of what everything is. I'm sure you can see it all. Oh, okay, not everything. Let's just start with this right here. So this is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This is obviously a serum. I have never actually heard of this brand before, so I don't really know. It comes in like this. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is like a glass container. I think let's see what this smells like. Okay, well that, what smart of me. Let's just stick your nose and everything. Okay. It really doesn't have a smell, which is crazy considering for some reason I just expected it to smell like mushrooms. Yeah, I know. Okay, so the box is slightly misleading. Look at the difference between packaging and the container. But this is 30 milliliters, and what does it say? It says to use a pea-size amount, so that's not a whole lot. So this could probably last a long time. Let's just see what they say about this on this lovely. Okay, so ooh, this is a $62 serum for some mushrooms. Ooh, what else is in here that this would be that expensive? Just mushrooms. There's first ingredients, mushrooms. Okay, well, nice. I'm glad I didn't buy this, and it came in my Boxycharm. So that's actually exciting. I will use it. I love skincare. I don't like getting a massive amount of skincare in my Boxycharms and my top boxes. However, like every other person, I like skincare. So speaking of skincare, next up is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. And I actually own the smaller size of this. This came in a top box a little while ago, just like a sample size. So this is what it looks like. I know it smells more like turmeric than pumpkin. For me, that's what I'm smelling. I don't normally smell the pumpkin. It is obviously closed. I'm not going to open this one because I still actually have my mini that I'm using. So what this one is a great polishing mask. I do like it. You gently massage in circular motions with warm water to get rid of it. But you're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it says to use 3 to 4 times a week. That is that. And let's just see what the price of the big one is. Holy pumpkins. Okay, this is a $45 polish. Wow. Okay, well, glad I didn't repurchase that one and I got it for free in this, well, in this box. Okay, so let's just pull this out considering we all saw that coupon. I was so excited when I saw that this could be in the box. This, of course, is the packaging. It's kind of, I don't know if this is a Boxycharm special packaging because none of my Natasha Denona, my one Natasha Denona palette comes in a weird box like this. But okay. This is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. This is what it looks like. I am super obsessed with this. Honestly, these are legit my jam colors. I love all of these. This is probably going to be my favorite color in this whole thing, but I also love how the packaging in the back here has the little holes where you can actually pop them out and rearrange them however you would like them to be. If you guys want to see me do a video on how I would use this palette and the kind of eyeshadow look I would come up with, leave me a comment in the comments below, because I will definitely be playing with this. So this says on here that this is a $48 palette. I mean, that seems a little suspicious. Because, so there's 5 eyeshadows in this palette. And this says that it's $48 for this little one. This is definitely not the mini one. The mini one is like the $30 one in Canada. I don't know how expensive this would be in Canada, considering I don't think I've ever seen this size in Canada. But the really big palette's $80 in Canada. So $48 for this seems like either Boxycharm is lying, or these are more expensive than buying the bigger palette. I'm not talking about the huge palette, the like the $170 one. I'm talking about the other one, like the bronze palette was like, so the bronze palette was $87, and this says that this is $48. So that's double for way more eyeshadows. But who am I? I'm not going to say nothing, okay? Well, I mean, I did, but anyway. Let's move on. So up next is this Gimme Brow, and this is the volumizing fibers from Benefit. I got mine in number 4. This is a full-size product, so that's what it looks like. Obviously, everyone's probably seen this before. I'm just going to do a swatch on my hand for the color. Oh, yeah, okay. So that's not bad. That's kind of a darker color, which is nice because my eyebrows are quite dark. They're a little bit darker than I normally do them. At this point, I'm still trying to get through an eyebrow powder in my 2020. So I'm trying to use up the darker color, which is why they are dark. But I also feel like because my hair's dark here, I can have a bit darker eyebrows. You do you, though. Okay. Obviously this is just a mask or a brow gel with some fibers in it. I don't really use these very often, to be perfectly honest. Isn't really like an exciting thing for me. Also, it says this is $24. That seems about right. So, like, at least they're not lying on the price. But I'm not super excited about this. But honestly, out of all the things that they could put in this box, it's definitely not the worst thing that could happen. And there's one more product in here, and this is the Yensa Blac, I think it's called. Yensa Blac. This is the liquid corrector 2.0, and this is vegan friendly and cruelty. It looks like it's in a little like squeezy lipstick tube. And oh, there's a bit of a scent, but not too much. This is a liquid corrector. Let's put it on my hand. So that is what it looks like. It's very peachy, pinky color. I'm hoping that that would blend in a bit. Maybe I put too much on my hands. That is what it looks like. So now that it's kind of like blended out a bit, it probably isn't too bad. That's supposed to go under your eyes, and then you're supposed to put your, I guess maybe you're supposed to put your concealer over top of that. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. And that product is a $15 product. That actually is a pretty decent price. If that works and it makes your under eye bags less bright, then it's worth it. $15 is not something I would mind spending to help make my under eye bags look nicer. So I'm just going to put everything here, the price of everything on the screen. It's a pretty good box. Honestly, I definitely don't dislike this box this month. The only thing that I probably won't use is this. Obviously, my most favorite thing in this box was this. I'm super excited to use this. I cannot wait to play with it. And the mushroom serum, I will definitely use this. I already am using it, so I definitely will use that. And then I will definitely give this a try. But all in all, this month is pretty decent. I was a little worried because the boxes have been doing me some dirtiness in the last little while, but the last box and then this box has been pretty good, so I can't really complain too much about it. Well, that was everything in my November's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!